In previous video, we have designed this navigation bar of Amazon. Now we are going to design this category bar. So for this, here in body section, after this container div ends, we have to give one more div to which we'll be assigning class category. And here in head section, within style tag, we are giving this category class. Width of this bar should be 100%. Height here I'm giving is 35 pixel. Background color here we are giving is some shade of black. So here it is black and this is some shade of black. Save and go live. So this is our category bar in which we have to put all the elements. So first element which we have to put here is this icon and this text. So we'll be giving all these things, this in one div and these all in one div. So for that, here in body section, in category class, here we are giving div class equals to, we are giving it a name of CB1, category box 1, and in this box we are going to put that icon and that text. So we have to select that item from font awesome. So we are selecting this icon, copy this code, and here we have to paste that. Save, and after this icon we have to put our text all. Save it, and right now it is looking like this, black. So we have to give it a color of white. For that, here in category section we are putting color white. Save, and now it is white in color. Next we have to put padding and margin for this. So here we have to design another class which we have mentioned in our div, that is dot cb1 category box 1, and here I'm giving a padding of 5 pixel and margin left of 15 pixel. Save. So it has got padding and margin. Next we have to give transparent border to it. So for that, border equals to 1 pixel transparent. Save. So it is not going to show right now, but later on when we are giving it a border with hover effect, it is going to show that border. Next we have to design all these elements. So we are putting all these elements in paragraph tag within another div which will be naming CB2. So here, after the CB1 div ends, we have to start one more div to which we will be assigning a class CB2. And within this div we are going to provide paragraph tags. So here, first of all we have to give Amazon Mini TV. Next we have to give sales, then is best sellers. Next we have to give today's deal, mobile and fashion. Here it will be today's deal, then is mobile, then is fashion, then electronics, new releases, home kitchen, home and kitchen, and last one is Amazon Pay. Save and go live. So we can see that all the items are there, but they are going down because we haven't put display flex here. So first of all, we have to put display flex in category section. Save, and after that in class CB2, which we have to design. So we are putting this class CB2, and within this class, first of all, I'm giving padding of 5 pixel. Here too we have to give border of 1 pixel, transparent, and now here we have to put display flex. Save. So these all are our items. Next we have to put margin in between. So for that we'll be designing one more class, that is dot p2, and here I'm giving margin of 15 pixel, padding is 2 pixel. Save, and here we'll be assigning this class to all these paragraph tags. So here p class equals to p2. Same way we have to put this class everywhere with p tag. Save, and right now it is looking like this. Now these all items are going down, so what we have to do in category section, we have to give Align items to center. Center, save. And one more thing here we can give is justify content, space evenly. So these are all our items. Next, we can increase the size of these paragraph elements. So for that, here in P2 we are giving font size, and here it is 15 pixel. Save. It has got a font size of 15 pixel. Next, we can see that here in this site, when we hover over these elements, it is giving us a border. So here we have already created a border class above. So what we have to do here is we have to put this class here in CB1. This class, here we have to put border also. It is going to show us border when we hover over it, and with this we have to put border here as well. Save and go live. So now when we are hovering over it, it is giving us border. So this is our category bar.